Hello friends, welcome back again to Digital Era. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account. But before we get started, please don't forget to support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for you to be updated on my next video. First, just log into your Facebook. And from here, you can just scroll down and search for Settings and Privacy. Then click Settings. Let us scroll down. And then tap on Account Ownership and Control. Just tap on Deactivation and Deletion. Okay, you can see here the deactivate account. So once you deactivate your account, it is temporary. Your account will be disabled and your name and photos will be removed from most things you've shared, but you will be able to continue using Messenger. So let us continue to account deactivation. So for security purposes, please re-enter the password to continue. Okay, let us enter the password. And then continue. So once you deactivate your Facebook account, some information may still be visible to others, such as your name in their friends list and messages you sent. Here are some reasons for deactivation. So there's a lot listed here. You can choose your reason by clicking on the circle located on the left corner. If ever your reason for deactivation is not listed here, you can just simply type your reason on the box below. Once you're done guys, just click the continue button. Because my reason for deactivation is too much spending time on Facebook, so Facebook can do something for you. You can manage your notifications by clicking the edit notification settings. So let us just skip this step and let us continue deactivating our account. So even after your account is deactivated, your Messenger account will remain active unless you deactivate it from the Messenger app. And even after you deactivate, your friends can still invite you to events, tag you in photos, or ask you to join groups. Alright, so let us scroll down. So guys, if you are really sure on deactivating your account, so just click on Deactivate My Account. As you can see, my Facebook account has been successfully deactivated. So if you want to reactivate your account, you can reactivate this anytime by logging in with your email and your password. Okay? Alright friends, that's all for now. So thank you so much for watching. So if you have any other questions, suggestions, recommendations regarding this video, so feel free to send me a message down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Agyamanak.